I'm going to help you to find the scale factor of a dilation when given 2 points. So we're going to look at number 9, and we're also going to look at number 12. This is to help you with your homework, which was to complete this page. So,
Good afternoon, Cooper.
okay, so we are going to work on number 9. This is very similar to the problems that we did above, except this time we don't have the coordinate plane. We've just given point R is the image of A after dilation. So point R is the image, so that's the final product, and A is the pre-image. And we're going to find the scale factor. In order to find scale factor, we're going to write a ratio. The ratio is going to be image divided by pre-image. So we're going to take the coordinates that they gave us for the image, which in this case is R, so 9 and 12. I'm going to divide that by A, which is our pre-image, 3, 4. So I'm going to look at the fraction 9 divided by 3 and simplify that, which is 3. I'm going to look at the fraction 12 divided by 4, and that is 3. Because they came out to the same answer, my K value, or my scale factor, is 3. So that's how we do number 9. So you're going to do the same thing for number 10 and number 11. You're going to set up your ratio of scale factor, which is image over pre-image. So you're going to put R over A when you're putting your coordinate points. All right, so let's look at number 12 so that you can do the next section. It says the line segment that has the given endpoints. Use the scale factor to write the ordered pair after the dilation. So this time they give you the points of your pre-image. And they want you to use the scale factor of K in order to find your image. For this problem, I'm actually going to do number 12 and number 13 so you can see what happens with that fraction. All right, so I'm going to take my point A first, which is 1, 1. And I'm going to multiply it times my scale factor of 2. So I'm going to multiply 1 times 2 and 1 times 2 so that I get to 2, which is A prime. I'm going to do the same thing for B. I'm going to have to erase this so that I can see what that number is. So A was 1, 1, and A prime became 2, 2. We multiplied by 2. B starts out at 3, 1. We're going to multiply by 2 in order to get B prime. So I'm saying 3 times 2 and 1 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And so there is my final endpoints of my image. So now I'm going to look at problem number 13 and do the same thing. If we take A, I'm going to have 4, 4. I'm going to multiply that by 3 fourths. Now, there's 2 ways you can think about this. You can just plug it into your calculator as 4 times 3 fourths, or you can do the multiplication and division separately. So this means I'm going to multiply by 3, then I'm going to divide by 4. So I'm going to multiply by 3 first, so the numerator means multiply, so multiply by 3, and then divide by 4. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. And do it again. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So that is my A prime. Now I'm going to move over to B, which is 8 and 12. I'm going to multiply it times 3 fourths because that's my scale factor. So 3 times 8 is 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So I'm going to do that again. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Or you can just plug it in your calculator. 3 times 12 is 36. 3 times 12 is 36. Divided by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. So there are, I'm sorry, that was a B prime. So B prime is 6, 9, and A prime is 3, 3. Go ahead and for your homework, I want you to solve number 10, 11, and 14.